All right, time for some Monday birthdays across the area, and we are going to begin in Girard with Ryan Franklin celebrating birthday number 8. It says, "We all love you from your mom, dad, and sisters." Happy birthday. We've also got Case Keller in McCune celebrating number 10. Very happy birthday to you, Case. We've also got Rayleigh Blue Fincher also celebrating birthday number 10. It says happy birthday from Grandma and Grandpa in Pittsburgh. Dixie Layson celebrating a birthday over in Columbus. Happy birthday, Dixie. We've also got Don Watson celebrating number 78 over in Weir. And Dustin and Trina Ashmore celebrating their second wedding anniversary in Frontenac. And we've got Brenda and William Reed celebrating their 46th wedding anniversary out in Chetopa. And our list continues. We've got Aubrey Scott celebrating birthday number 21 in Girard. Clint Phillips celebrating the big 6-0 over in Liberal. Tom and Pat Christie celebrating their 52nd wedding anniversary. And then our good friend, Chef Anthony Fisher. Now, I'm surprised that he shared this, or whoever shared this shared his age. He is 42. Says happy birthday from your favorite students. He's also up for an award that could not only see him featured in Taste of Home magazine, but could be worth $25,000. Voting starts today at 10 a.m. If you want to vote, you can go to favechef.com and you can look up Chef Anthony Fisher. Hey, happy birthday and anniversary to all of you. And of course, if you'd like to celebrate with us, there's an easy way to do that. You just have to submit your birthdays and anniversaries to that email address on your screen. That's birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com. You can also submit them through our website. And through our website, you know what else you can do? Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some special deals from local businesses. You also, most importantly, I think, get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do, head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.